welcome. Today, we're diving into an important topic for cooperative associations. IRS Form 1120C. This form, officially known as the U.S. Income Tax Return for Cooperative Associations, is essential for corporations that operate on a cooperative basis. It helps these organizations report their income, deductions, credits, and calculate their federal income tax liability. What sets cooperatives apart from standard corporations is their unique approach to earnings. Instead of simply retaining profits, cooperatives often return earnings to their members or patrons based on their level of participation. This means that accurate reporting of these financial flows is crucial, and that's where Form 1120C comes into play. So, who needs to file this form? If your business is a cooperative association under IRS Code Section 1381, a farmers cooperative, a purchasing cooperative, a housing cooperative, or any similar entity, you're required to file Form 1120C. Even if your cooperative is tax exempt, you still need to submit this form annually. Now, let's talk about what's included in Form 1120C. This form covers a variety of important financial details, such as gross income from operations and investments, business deductions like salaries and rent, and special cooperative deductions, particularly patronage, dividends. It also includes schedules for dividends, tax, computation, balance sheets, and a reconciliation of book versus taxable income. Filing deadlines are another critical aspect to keep in mind. Form 1120C is due on the 15th day of the 4th month after the end of your tax year, which typically falls on April 15th for calendar year filers. If you need more time, you can file Form 7000 to request an extension. However, be cautious. Filing or payment can lead to interest and penalties, so accuracy and timeliness are key. Why does all of this matter for your business? Filing Form 1120C correctly ensures compliance with IRS cooperative tax rules, proper allocation of earnings to members, and accurate financial reporting for your organization. At MANNOE Income Tax and Multi-Services, we specialize in helping cooperatives and corporations navigate the complexities of tax filings, like Form 1120C. Whether you're a farmers coop or a service-based association, we're here to ensure your return reflects your values and operations. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider following us for more insights. You can also reach out to us at 305-469-1209 or visit our website at mannoetax.com. We're here to help you every step of the way.